Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What follows are my personal experiences with ReAlpha. ReAlpha, located at realpha.com, is a website that appears to offer a variety of financial tools and resources, though the exact nature of these services isn't immediately clear upon initial browsing. The site's layout seems somewhat minimalist, possibly suggesting a focus on a specific niche or a streamlined user experience, though further exploration would be needed to confirm this. The homepage prominently features a search bar, implying that searching for specific financial information is a key function of the platform. It's difficult to ascertain the scope of this search functionality without conducting some test searches. Does it primarily index internal content, or does it pull information from external sources? This remains to be seen. Furthermore, there's mention of a waitlist, which suggests that some features or services may be currently limited or under development. This raises questions about the platform's current stage of development and the full extent of its functionality. Is it a fully launched product, a beta version, or something in between? The limited information available on the initial landing page makes it challenging to draw definitive conclusions about ReAlpha's overall value proposition. A more detailed exploration of the site's features, including any available documentation or user testimonials, would be necessary to form a more informed opinion. It would be beneficial if the site provided more upfront information about what it offers and who its target audience is. While the minimalist design aesthetic can be appealing, in this case, it contributes to a sense of ambiguity. More transparency regarding ReAlpha's functionalities and intended purpose would greatly enhance the user experience and allow potential users to quickly assess whether the platform meets their needs. For example, clearly stating what types of financial tools are offered, who the target users are, e.g., investors, financial professionals, etc., and the stage of development the platform is currently in would be incredibly helpful. Additionally, providing some concrete examples of how the platform can be used would be invaluable.